Welcome to Mind versus Choice.
Hello, luxury lovers. Listen up. Welcome to Would You Rather, Luxury Edition. So fancy, it's like winning the lottery. Are you in? Smash that subscribe button for more awesome quizzes. And let's dive right in. Would you rather have a PlayStation 5 Pro or the new iPhone 16? Sing with Taylor Swift or play football with Lionel Messi? Listen through Bose headphones or AirPods Max? Have unlimited chips or unlimited chocolate? Travel to the North Pole or fly to Miami? Travel to space or chill on a paradise island? Own a luxury hotel or a top-tier restaurant? Have a robot assistant or a personal submarine? Own a luxury jacuzzi or a high-end sauna? Are you a watch lover or a sneaker collector? Drive a vintage car or cruise in a Tesla? Own Batman's car or Iron Man's armor? Get $1 million right now or receive $10,000 every month. Have a bodyguard or a private driver? Drive a Bentley or a Rolls-Royce? Become a successful YouTuber or star in a Hollywood movie? Have custom clothes or custom cars? Fly in a private jet or sail on a private yacht? Visit a cat cafe or have a giant aquarium at home? Be friends with Cristiano Ronaldo or meet The Weeknd? Live in a stylish apartment or a cozy chalet? Build a home cinema or a gaming room? Own the Eiffel Tower or the Statue of Liberty? Rock a Gucci bag or a Louis Vuitton bag? Play on a Nintendo Switch or a gaming PC? Choose between Chanel or Dior. iPhone or Samsung? Drive a Mercedes-Benz or a BMW? Have an elevator or an escalator inside your house. Meet Elon Musk or meet Mr. Beast. Live in Japan or Dubai. Wear a Patek Philippe or a Rolex. Own an iPad or a MacBook. Give away $2 million or win $1 million. PlayStation or Xbox. Trip to Antarctica or North Pole. Diamond teeth or bathe in gold. On a golf course or a tennis court. Golden toilet or golden sneakers. Private chef or personal coach. Private jet on your roof or rooftop pool. Unlimited Red Bull or unlimited Prime drinks. Find real gold or eat the world's most expensive burger. Live in Disneyland or the White House. Apartment or villa. Indoor pool or outdoor pool. Personal gaming room or private movie theater. This one or that one. Here, eat the most expensive burger or eat the most expensive dessert. Expensive sneakers or expensive necklace.